A lot of people requested a better understanding in a macro sense of the product. And this is the Griffin Adjustable Gas Block for the AR-15. The kit as it comes, that is the regulator plate, retaining pin, 1/8" spline pin for barrel pinning if you decide to do that. The 2 screws for the 640 gas block spacing and alignment with the gas tube using a dimpled barrel, and the roll pin for pinning the gas tube here. This will also include the purchase of a straight gas tube. We used a higher block height so that we could have a thicker plate for durability. The block has its strag detent, Inconel spring, and screw, and it is staked in 3 positions here. It's also marked with the patents, the company name, and normal and suppressed to help you understand what adjustment position you're at. This is the disc. You'll see that the gas check grooves are located down. All the screw holes have 108 by 118 carbores, so that the carbon can't hack this surface up and stop the block from working. And to put this together, you basically insert the disc into the block with the 2 large notches front and back. And I'm going to use a large pin for, because the smaller pin would just fall through because I don't have a barrel underneath this. And that's as easy as installing that disc is. And one of the things you'll note is that the plate is marked. We'll see a laser marked number 5 on this plate. That helps you understand which plate you got. There are 2 notches on the diameter on one side of the plate, and smooth lack of notches about that large adjustment notch on the other side. That helps you understand which side of the block you're on. There are 4 settings, so 2 of them are just pass-throughs for the normal mode on both sides of the disc, and the 2 suppressed holes have slightly different sizes. So in conventional plates, we currently have 4 thou spacing between these 2, and on low back pressure, 8 thou spacing between the 2 hole sizes. And the smaller hole has the no notch side of the plate. So when you're selected to S, as shown, you're in the suppressed mode, smaller hole side of the plate. Normal, of course, is the same size on both sides of the plate. Then if we have a problem with operation of the suppressor, we can rotate the plate 180 degrees to suppressed on the larger hole side with the notches. And if we take the suppressor off, we can go back to normal. And this should only be configuring the basic block would be like orientation with the product, and then you're going to leave the plate on the same side all the time and just travel between the 2 notches using a bullet tip to adjust the block like this through the rail. And that's a better understanding of the product.